and I gotta repair this cab corner and work this back out. I have a Chevy Silverado here. This is the one I put a bedside on a few days ago. Now I'm onto the cab, and I gotta repair this cab corner. You can see it's obviously pushed in a far ways, so I'm gonna weld a couple tabs on here. I'm gonna put one just like that, then I'm gonna pull on some, and as it starts walking out, I'll have to put one here as well and work this back out. I'm here on the other side just looking at the contour of the cab corner, and there's a line that comes down right here. It's kind of gradual, but I have to work that out. So when I come back to this side, you can see I marked it where it goes. And there's a couple different ways I could do this, but I'm going to put this tab right on that line right there and put a little pressure on it and then work this crown out and work it back into shape. So I have this pulled out and I have it lining up with the door nice and even and flush. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean this up a little more, and then I will finish this out with some body filler, get it straightened out. All right, I just about have this one wrapped up. You can see my gap here. It's nice and even, just like we want it. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna lift this door back off, get this one taped up, and get this primed up. Now this one gets a chip guard. You can see the line here, and it's a thick texture that goes across the bottom to help avoid chips, rocks from chipping it. I'm gonna tape this off and I'm gonna follow this line up, and then it kind of fades off right in this area. Then I'm gonna put a soft edge piece of tape just a little higher than I wanna go, and I'm gonna try to stay back from it though. However, if I do get all the way up to it, once it's dry, I'll just sand down into it and feather it back out.